If you're having difficulty in creating WhatsApp channel, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can fix it in this video. So please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment at the end of this video if it is helpful to you. Alright, so let's get into the business. A lot of people complain that they can't create WhatsApp channel since the update was released, and I was in this shoe. I was not able to create WhatsApp channel for some time. I even updated my WhatsApp and yet I could not create WhatsApp channel. So many people are in this situation, and if you're in this situation, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do. So when you want to create your WhatsApp channel, once you update your WhatsApp, you go to your updates. Instead of status, you go to updates. You scroll down, you're going to see channels. So when you tap on the plus icon, you will not see create channel. You will only see find channels. And it means that you cannot create channel at the moment. And it can make you worried. No problem, I'm going to show you how to fix it. I was in this situation. I updated my WhatsApp and I could not see create channel. So what did I do that made me to be able to create channel? Now, 3 things you can do. One of these 3 will work for you if you pay attention and do it. The first one is you can hold on for 2 to 3 days, okay, and then go back to your Play Store or Apple Store and update your WhatsApp again. Yes, you can hold on for 2 to 3 days after you have updated the first time. The simple reason is because millions of people are using WhatsApp, and this feature is not available to everybody instantly. So it could be that the feature is not available to you at the moment, even though you have updated your WhatsApp. So all you need to do is to wait for some time, okay? Wait for like 2 to 3 days, maximum 5 days. Go back to your Play Store, go back to your Apple Store. You will see that you will need to update your WhatsApp again. Once you update it, you will see create channel. That is the first method you can use. The second method you can use to do this quickly is once you update your channel the first time and you are not able to create your own channel, simply join any channel. Join any available channel by clicking on find channel, and you can join any channel of your choice. Okay, once you join any channel of your choice, maybe 1 or 2 channels, then wait for 2 days. Between 24 hours to 48 hours, you will be able to create your own channel. And if you don't see it after 48 hours, go back to your Play Store or your Apple Store and update your WhatsApp again. You will be able to see it. Now, another method, which is the third method you can use to create your own WhatsApp channel if it is not available to you at the moment, is to join the WhatsApp beta testers. Upon the release of this WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp also uploaded a WhatsApp beta app that you can use to test out this feature. So the link to join the beta testers will be available in the description area. So just click on the link and then request to be a beta tester. Alright. Also, the link to my WhatsApp channel will be available too. You can join my WhatsApp channel, and after 2 to 3 days, you'll be able to create your own WhatsApp channel. So these are the 3 methods you can use to get your own WhatsApp channel. So be patient. It's going to be available to everyone. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also drop a comment if any of this method is helpful to you. Thank you.